Tables present data in a way that's harder to interpret than other types of visualizations. It's important you understand how to format them. We look at formatting the different elements of a table in this video. To start, let's look at shading a table. Go to Format on the menu bar and select Shading. Beneath Default, you can apply shading to the entire worksheet, pane, or header. Let's change the entire worksheet. I'll open the drop-down menu and select a light yellow. Note the updated appearance of our view. If your table contains totals or grand totals, you can apply shading to make them stand out. You can shade the header or pane or both. Let's shade our totals in green so they're easier to distinguish. I'll open the pane drop-down menu and select green, and I'll do the same for the header. If we scroll down, we have options to apply row and column banding. Banding is used to help users distinguish between values. Because our table is meant to be read from top to bottom, we'll apply some row banding to the pane and header. So I'll open pane and select blue, and I'll do the same for the header. You can change the band size and level with the below sliders. As with all formatting in Tableau, you can clear them with the below clear button. Also note you can format rows or columns specifically with the above tabs. Our table is a bit easier to interpret now, but we can still make some changes. Let's move on to formatting borders by selecting the square icon at the top of the left pane. Borders, like shading, can be formatted to help make your tables easier to interpret. Beneath Default, we can format at the cell, pane, or header level. Let's apply borders at the header level. Note we also have options to show borders as dashed lines and increase the line weight. Let's make this thicker and change the color. We have these same options for totals and grand totals, though we won't change these right now. If we scroll down, we can see options to insert column or row dividers, which, like banding, can help users distinguish between individual values or panes. Let's insert a row divider. We'll make it slightly thicker and select the color. This creates a divide between each category in the view. You can adjust this with the level slider. You can increase the level of detail or decrease it. We'll leave it in the middle though. These same options are available for column dividers. You can also adjust the legibility and layout of your tables with cell spacing and formatting.